How to use cucumber on your skin. Mix cucumber with honey for a cucumber honey toner. This recipe is from the National Honey Board. 1 medium cucumber, peeled and cut up into pieces, 2 teaspoon. Honey. Puree cucumber in a blender. Line a sieve with cheesecloth and set the sieve over a glass bowl or measuring cup. Pour the cucumber puree through the sieve and let it stand for 15 minutes for the juices to drip into the bowl. Pour the clear juice into a clean bottle and add honey. To use, shake the bottle and saturate a cotton pad with the lotion. Sweep over face, neck and chest morning and night, and let it air dry, about 3 to 4 minutes. Store covered in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Makes about half cup. This conditioner is said to work wonders on hair damaged by routine swimming in chlorinated water. 1 egg, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 of a peeled cucumber. Blend the egg, olive oil and peeled cucumber. Spread evenly through your hair, leave on for 10 minutes, then thoroughly rinse. For the best results year-round, continue this treatment monthly. You can add cucumbers to a tossed salad, but it's even better to make a salad of cucumbers. Refresh with a cucumber skin tonic. Chop 1 cucumber and puree in a blender with 4 tablespoons mint. Strain off the juice and store in the fridge. The tonic will keep for 24 hours in the fridge. To increase its life, add 1 teaspoon vodka.